Hello.
Lasinin po. Meron. Buksan niyo yan. Buksan niyo. Buti na kayo dalawa. Aray ko naman. Dapat mo na, hindi ka muna tumama. Aray ko naman.
Alas mo. Sorry. Di ka siya. Dapat si Christopher dito. Christopher, ano ba yun? Christopher. Pinahirapan mo talaga si Claire.
Hindi, deserve niyan.
Tawaman tuloy si Claire.
Ano? Ay, ase, ako na lang. Ay, nagsalo pa si ano mo.
준비됐나요? 그럼 출발하세요.
Excuse me. We're going here.
회전입니다.
Yes.
I'm just follow the ways. Yeah. 야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다. 코리아예요, 코리아.
Korean, okay.
Kaya pala ang medyo matagal siya.
You speak Korean?
Ano?
Hmm?
A little bit.
This one.
This one,
Oy.
basic only.
Basic, yeah.
감사합니다.
Yeah, thank you.
알았어.
야, 알았어. 우와.
아줌마.
Very good.
엄마.
Filipino love to watch K-drama.
Yes.
We love K-drama. Living home.
Oh. Yeah.
Do you speak Tagalog po?
Kunti.
Kunti.
Salamat po.
Oh. English you understand?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay.
But still learning Tagalog. Still learning.
800m 앞에서 우측 출구로 나가세요.
학생이에요. You student?
Yeah. Yes.
Student, right?
Yes.
Where? Where you study?
Oh,
Arellano.
Arellano.
on the way.
On the way to study.
College?
Yes.
Yes.
College? Oh.
Yes.
What course you taking?
Course.
Yeah.
Radtech.
Hmm?
Radtech.
What is that?
Radiology.
For X-ray. X-ray.
X-ray, CT scan.
Oh, like that?
How many years have you been here?
Yes.
Huh? 2 years, eh?
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years since staying.
Why you choose Philippines?
I looking establishment for my business.
우측 출구로 나가세요.
Yeah, I'm
What
looking
business?
food.
Food.
Yeah, food.
Korean food.
We like ramen.
Yeah, Korean food.
Oh. Samgyup.
Yeah, samgyup. But I tried to launch here Korean Paris.
Korean Paris.
Yeah. You know that? No.
Paris only.
Oh, Paris.
Not
Paris.
Korean.
Not Korean. Yeah. I'm trying
Do you
to
know him?
build it.
Diwata Paris?
Hmm? No.
Paris Overload.
No. What is that?
Famous Paris. Yes. Paris
Here in
vendor.
Philippines?
Yes.
Yeah, 그런데 what is your name?
Michelle.
Michelle and
Jillian.
Jillian. Claire.
Ivan.
Ivan. Philip.
Philip McTown.
Philip McTown.
In Tagalog, maglungsod.
Yeah, 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
Ah.
Yeah, nice to meet you. But I live in Makati. I'm Oppa, right? Oppa. I'm a Oppa house.
What?
I'm Oppa house.
You rent.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, good.
rent here.
Yeah, I'm Oppa house there. Yeah.
Koreano yun dati.
Kita sa kutis.
Yeah, just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr.
Hoon.
Hun.
Yeah. That's my last name.
Hun?
Yeah. Hoon. That's my last name. My first name is Su-Tang.
Shita?
Su-Tang.
Sutang.
Sutang.
Un.
Hindi mo yung pronounce. Sutang. You can pronounce your name.
No, I can't.
That's why we are.
It's too hard.
You can pronounce your name.
Yeah, you
Su-Tang?
Su-Tang.
Sutang.
Yeah, Su-Tang. And my last name is Hoon.
Hun.
Yeah. Su-Tang. You pronounce properly my name.
Sutang Hun.
Yeah, that's my name.
Is that correct?
Yeah, Su-Tang.
That's your Korean name.
Yeah, that's your Korean name.
That's my favorite.
That's food here.
Food, what food?
Yes, fancy.
Oh, yes. That's a food
Yeah.
here.
Food here.
This-
Sutang Hun.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm happy too.
We're happy too.
Yeah, I'm happy that talking, you know. You here, you're all here in Manila? Or
Yeah,
you have a
no.
province?
Yeah, we have a province.
Where's your province?
Mindoro.
Mindoro? Where is the Mindoro?
Puerto Galera, you know that? Pagod
How about
Beach.
you?
Us from Mindanao.
Say,
Mindanao.
which part?
She's from Mindanao.
Who?
Lower part of the Philippines.
You?
Part of us.
You from Mindanao?
Yeah.
Where in Mindanao?
Surigao.
Surigao?
I'm from
Yes, yeah.
Zamboanga.
I've been in Davao. Yeah, but Davao.
Davao, malapit lang.
People there love Korean.
Yes.
They love oppa. Yeah, they love oppa.
I also love Oppa.
Yeah. Filipino in Davao love oppa. You know that?
Yeah, we love it.
They love oppa. Oppa in the morning, oppa in the evening.
Ren. Ren.
Upa. Kaya pala upa. Iba yung upa sa ano.
Ito pala. Bisaya kasi.
Kuya, feel naman.
Also Cebu.
Cebu?
Cebu.
Yes, Cebu.
They love
Visayas.
oppa also, oppa. But I thinking the sound of the animal here, like a dog. Dog in Korea, the sound dog is mong.
Mong.
Oh,
Yeah. How about here in the Philippines? Ow.
Yes, in cat meow.
Oh, but here is yaw.
Yaong.
How about the frog?
kokak.
Kokak.
개굴개굴
Kokak.
Kokak?
Yes.
In Korea, yeah, kigul. Yeah, kigul.
Bisaya yung kigol sa puwet.
Korean animal singing
Sa
sound.
Bisaya yung kigol sa puwet.
Yeah, kigul. How about chicken? Rooster.
Rooster.
Tila ako.
Yun.
Tila ako.
Tilao.
Yes.
Oh.
How about in Korea?
Ipopo.
May accent din pala yung mga hayop doon.
Tama nga.
Yeah, that's it. Popo.
You are animal lover?
Yeah, I love the animal. Oh, we're near?
Yes.
I think we're near, yeah?
Yes. We're near.
Yeah,
We're
we're
near.
near.
Sure?
Picture.
35. Paad na lang.
Oh, yeah, here, picture.
Picture daw.
Yeah.
One more.
One more.
Sige, ikaw na.
Yeah, one more.
Nadun ko.
Wala akong ano. May bali ako.
Wala na akong bayad.
Magkano?
10, 30.
Very traffic here.
35.
Yes.
Tingin
Rush hour.
Rush hour?
Yes.
31?
31?
And it's Monday.
Magkano may mabayad na din sa kanya?
Every Monday.
Heavy traffic. Ayun yun,
Yes, because
170 na.
so many students.
That's why. Diyan na lang tayo, banda. Diyan na lang tayo, banda. Diyan no, sa gilid. Dito na lang. Ayan, dito na lang tayo, no?
Tagalog pa.
It's a prank! So, na-prank kayo.
Yes, sir.
So, wait lang.
Super.
Wait lang. Actually, ako ay isang content creator. So, naka-video po tayo.
Tayo ka ba niya?
Sabi ko na eh!
Naniniwala na sana ako. Tayo na quiz eh.
No? Sutang?
Hoy. Ikaw, favorite
Uy,
pancit.
wait lang. Nakakas kayo, no? It's a free ride. It's a free ride, oh. Nanglilibre ako ng pamasahe sa mga estudyante, oh. Nga kagaya ninyo. You're welcome po.
Thank you po.
Pag-aral kayo ng mabuti.
Yes po.
No? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo, ha.
Wait lang.
Arellano. Arellano University. Oh, bye-bye. Yay! Arellano University! Yay! Nadali ang taga Arellano. First time kong di ko alam kung first time kong makapag-prank ng Arellano University or pangalawang beses na yata ako. Pangalawang beses na yata to. So yan, shout out sa mga taga Arellano University dito sa Ligarda. Yeah! Ang dumadali na naman si Don Bertos TV, the Korean Prankster. Woo! Ang saya ng free rides nila. So it's Don Bertos TV, the Korean Prankster, and the Great Pretender na laging nagsasabing, I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the Great Pretender. Yeah! Woo! Let's
ang buhay ay gulo, kasama sa biro, walang sino mang nagtago.